I have a LTX 1040 riding lawn mower. There is a loud noise, clinging sound, and the transmission drive assembly when I accelerate to go forward, and the brakes does not stop the mower when pressed. What could be the problem and how much, approximately, will it cost to fix it?
https://www.partstree.com/parts/cub-cadet/mowers lawn garden tractor /LTX 1040 13 WX90 is 010 13 WX90 is 056 13 WX90 is 009 13 AX90 is 210 13 WX90 is 210 Cub Cadet lawn tractor 2012/transmission/. Is the brake pad missing? If brake pad is missing, you get metal on metal and the brake will not work. Number 9 on the part diagram.
No, the brake pads are not missing. The problem is inside of the drive assembly. The clinging sound is very loud and sound like it is in the gears. The mower still moves forward and backwards and cuts grass.
This is geared transmission and has no way to add grease, so if the noise is internal, the only way to repair is remove it and split the transmission case.
I worked as a mechanic in the motor pool while in the U.S. Army and is somewhat mechanically inclined. Do you think it will be cheaper to repair the transmission or to replace it with a new one? I checked and a new one cost almost $400.
Replace it, not worth the difference to repair.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.